May I introduce you to our best-selling mattress, Hevea 3. Hevea 3 means 3 layers of latex. I can show you the inside because we can completely unzip the cover. Inside, there's only natural organic latex. Why do we only use natural organic latex? Because of the durability. This mattress, you can keep this for a very long time, between 15 and 20 years. As you can see, there's no glues, there are no coils, there's no foam inside, only organic latex. There are 2 layers. The reason of those 2 layers is the big block, the one below, 15 centimeter, gives you the support, and this smaller block, always a little bit thinner and a bit softer, will give you the comfort because you need to sink in with your shoulders and with your hips. There are also holes inside. We call the spin core holes. The reason of that is so the air can flow through. This is the most breathable mattress you can find in Singapore. We have a 7-zone system, so means like the holes have different shapes. Where the holes are bigger, the density is a little bit soft because then you have to sink in a little bit more. Where the holes are smaller, there you need more support for your body. As you can see, the cover you can unzip. You can even take this completely off, and you can get this washed with a dry cleaning company. You work together with a partner. Then what is else a big hit about this beautiful mattress is that we have an extra topper. The reason of this extra topper is to give you like more the hotel feeling, the plush feeling. This is really like what we call our Ferrari of the mattresses. So I can really recommend you this mattress.